See how AI Helpdesk unifies support across every channel. A call, a WhatsApp, an email, a message on your site. 4 separate inboxes, no single system. So requests slip through, and nothing gets tracked. Helpdesk AI brings it all together. It starts in the General tab in the intake, where you shape the Helpdesk AI itself, the language it speaks, and the voice it answers in. Here you set its scope of work, pulling ready-made playbooks from the library, so the Helpdesk AI already understands the issues your buildings face. Scenarios teach it how to respond, the question a tenant might ask, and the answer it should give. And actions let it do the real work, raising tickets, assigning them, following up, right from the conversation. In the Calls tab, give it a phone number, a greeting, and rules to transfer a call to a human when needed. On WhatsApp, it answers texts, and with image analysis on, it reads the photos tenants send. In the Web Widget tab, create the widget for your site. And once the integration setup is done, it goes live, turning visitor questions into tracked requests. And the Email tab folds your inbox in. Every message becomes a structured ticket, routed and prioritized by the same Helpdesk AI. 4 channels, 1 intelligent helpdesk. However a request arrives, it all lands as a single tracked ticket. Every request captured and resolved.